Hello, this is Akshara Priyadarshi from Karuna University, register number UR15CS307. I'm doing this video to explain you about linked list, which is my fourth experiment in data structure lab. So I'm starting as usual. I'm starting with hash include iostream using namespace, which we do in all the C++ program. This is the this is because it contains all the important library functions like cin and cout. Then I'm creating a structure called node for creating a node, and here these are its members. Then I'm creating a head pointer variable and also a pointer variable link, which is in node. So I'm creating a function called insert at the first. This is for creating this function is for putting the value at the first of the linked list. So here we are creating a temporary pointer variable, which will create a new node, and then whatever value will input will just go in this, and whatever head, if it's null, then the input value will become null. Otherwise, the input value will become the head. Otherwise, the previous head will change, and this input value will become the head. Because head is always at the top of the linked list, and we are inserting at the top. So then we are also creating a pointer variable called monkey, which will point at the head at this instance. Now another function we are creating as insert node at the end. So this will place my input at the end of the linked list. So in this, whatever temp pointer variable temp we are creating, it will create a new node. So whatever data input will go in this temporary variable, and if the linked list is empty, then the head will be null, and it will store in this temporary variable. Otherwise, monkey will jump and go at the end, like it will be at the head in the beginning, and then it will go at the end. In the end, the link, I mean the empty part of the node. The node contains two parts. One is data, and other one is link. So when the link is not pointing to nothing, then there the monkey will stop, and there this input will be placed, and then the monkey will point that particular position, and then this is for insertion at any particular space or position. So we are again creating a node with temporary pointer variable. Then we are creating a member and a flag. So we'll ask for the member, I mean like we'll ask where we need to place our value, after which we should place our value. So that value will be stored in the member. So first it will check whether the list is empty or not. If it's empty, it will show empty. Otherwise, the monkey will be at the head, and then it will find the matching position. It will find the matching position. That means when data is equals to member, there the monkey will stop. Then the temporary variables link will be connected to monkey's link or monkey's data, and then there it will be placed. Temporary will be placed over there, and then flag will show that that data which we input is present. Then only it can place. Otherwise, if there is no data, then the flag will just show, I mean the member is not found. Like whatever input we give, if the member is not there, it will show the member is not found. Now our deletion function comes. So for the deletion function, we are first asking for the value which we have. For that we created an int variable, then which we have to delete. It will be asked over here, and then this node, again we are creating a temporary pointer variable or a new node which is known as with the name of temporary pointer variable, and then this monkey will be at the head, and then first we'll check whether the list is empty or not, because for deletion there should be something in the list, and if the list is not empty, then the head data and the data which we are putting is equal to the head. So then it will just show the data equals to value. If the data is equals to value, then we need to make some node as the head. For that we are doing this. That means the temporary variables, well, or the heads value will be stored in this temporary node, and then the head, the link of this will be connected to the next one, and the head will become the next node, I mean which was the second node, will become the head, and this node will be deleted. Then if otherwise, like if whatever data we put is not the head, but it is in the somewhere in the middle, then we are running this while loop. So we are in here, monkey's link is until the monkey's link becomes null. That means the link doesn't have to point, doesn't have anything to point. Then under that we are doing this if condition. That means that we are searching for the value which we are searching for the data which is equal to the value. Then that value that data or that node will be stored in the temporary variable, and the monkey will be pointing over that, uh, and then when it is pointing over that, since that data has to be deleted, the link will be connected to the next one or next node, and this data will be deleted, and the monkey will be at the next node. Otherwise the monkey's link is like monkey will be at the monkey link. So for displaying, we are putting this like the members are, and then while loop monkey not equal to null. That means while in while loop, unless the monkey is not equal to null or the link of the monkey has nothing to show, then till that time it will show, or till that time the monkey will jump on each data and show in the output, and then monkey will go to the next data. And for searching we are doing this like we are creating some variables, then a node node will be at the head, or monkey will be at the head. Then while monkey not equals to null, that means until the monkey has something, we are doing then until the monkey has something, whatever data we input will be stored in this value, and then when data is equal to the value, then it will show that your value is at some position. That means it is there in the linked list, otherwise it is not there in the linked list. So now we are creating this main function, without which the program is incomplete. So here I am giving some options, like in the main function we'll call all these functions which we created for like display, deletion, insertion at the beginning and at the end. So for that we need to ask options. For that we are doing this. First option is insertion at the beginning, then end, then at any place, then deletion, display, and searching an element. With these options we are applying in a switch case. The options will be stored in this OP variable which we declared over here, and in the initial the head will be null because we have nothing in the linked list. Then these are the cases in the switch. That means case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, as per the options we are showing out. Then this is given as insertion at the first, insertion at the end. These are all the functions which we are calling: first, end, particular place, we created these functions, right? So we are calling these functions here, and the display will be shown according to these things. And now we are applying all this in a do while loop because whether we want to continue or not. So if we want to continue, we just have to press Y and then it will display. So I'll show the running of the program. Yeah, insertion insertion of any value at the beginning. I'll choose first option because the linked list is empty by now. So enter the data. So let my data be 11. I want to continue. Yes. Then insertion at the beginning. Let my data be 10. Again I'll do at the beginning. Let my data be 9. Or let it be no, let it be 10, 9, 8 or 9. Let it be 9. Yeah. Now let me display what all we have. So for displaying, it's so in linked list we are having 9, 10, 11. Now let me insert at the end. Oh, I need to continue. Yes. Let me insert at the end. Enter the data 12. Y. Let me again insert at the end 14. Let me display. So displaying it's 5. So I'm having 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? 12, 14. Okay, let me enter in the middle. After which value I need to input. So here as you can see, here 13 was not there in the middle. Now in the middle we have 13. Okay, let me insert another value 3. I'll insert after 11. Let me insert 1, 2, 3. So I have a 1, 2, 3 data in middle of 11 and 12. Let me delete this because I don't want this. So for deleting, option 4. Now enter the value which I need to delete. 1, 2, 3. Y. Now let me display. So as you can see, the 1, 2, 3 is now being deleted. So by this my program is complete. Thank you.